Hey guys, it's April with Crafting with April. I hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas and a New Year's. And I just wanted to let you guys know that we have the January mystery box here. I've already popped it open, but I haven't opened up and looked over everything inside. I just cut it open. The mystery box is $34.99. It has a value of over $98. If you use our group code AprilCraft, all caps, you will receive 10% off and get free shipping. That's going to make it $31.49. But if you also are an Access subscriber, that gives you 10% off your shopping at Cricut.com, and that's going to take this box down to $28.34. And if you have Circle, you are also going to get 10% off and take this box down to $25.50. Cricut does reserve the right to change this price, but at the time that I shot this video, the price was $34.99. And that was before any of the discounts. If you use our group code to shop with, the link is down below. I will receive a small commission, and I use that to bring you guys videos, files, and help run the groups. So I appreciate it, and I thank you in advance for shopping using our group link and our group code. You can use any of the codes, but you have to use the link for our group to get credit for that. So, that being said, and getting that out of the way, let's go ahead and see what's in this mystery box. Let's see. Ooh, loads of stuff, guys. We have adhesive foil, and this is the red perfect timing for Valentine's Day projects. This looks like a full roll, I believe. Yes, 12 by 48 inch roll. Perfect for Valentine's. And not all Valentines are red either, so more adhesive foil. This is also a 12 by 48 inch, and that is the stainless purple. I love that. Some of you may have seen that cup that I did. I put the stainless on that metal cup, and it said recommended dishwasher, not recommended for dishwasher, but hand wash only. But I have been putting it in the dishwasher since late March, early April of last year. And I did layered with the adhesive foils. I did extremely intricate, I did medium, and then I did some butterflies that had some iffy areas on them. The really, really, really thin stuff, I'm talking it's about like a hair. Of course, there wasn't enough vinyl to hold, adhesive on any vinyl to hold that. I don't care what brand you use. But this adhesive foil from Cricut is staying on, and like I said, since March, early April last year, and I have run it through the dishwasher, top and bottom rack, for over 8 months now on high heat wash and dry, and it is staying. The finish is coming off the cup. Don't believe me? Come on over to the group. I'll show you a picture. Then we have some glitter vinyl. And this is the purple. Oh, it's a sampler pack. Ooh, this is the Princess sampler pack. This is going to be gorgeous, guys, to do some mermaid stuff coming up. This would be pretty for some Valentines for some little girls too, I know. I think I'll make something with that. And that was a 12 by 24 inch, 3 12 by 24 inch sheets in purple, green, blue. And you get a 12 by 24 inch sheet of strong grip transfer tape in that. Oh, this doesn't happen often. Iron on, guys. We've got iron on. Go now. Go get your boxes. This is glitter lavender, and it is a 12 by 19 inch iron on roll. And that is in the lavender. That's so pretty. What else do we have here? Another roll. Iron on also. Guys, we got 2 rolls of iron-on in here. Same size. And this is the glitter multi-pink. It's got like silver and pink flecks. That's going to be gorgeous for Valentine's Day as well. Hope you guys can see that. I hope that color is coming through. I know we have a little bit of a glare there, but that's pretty. That would look good with the knockout. Remember the technique I just showed you guys? And we have pens. The 10-pack of the gold pens. These are the 1.0s. Medium tips. Can never have too many pens. As you can see, I have my collection right up there. Gonna be adding these to that. Because mine are old. My gold ones, some of them are even run out of ink. I've used them enough. And then we also have the metallic pen set. Also a 1.0 medium points. There's a 5-pack of those. It has the rose gold, the silver, the blue, and the purple metallic. And we have some poster board, metallic poster board. This stuff is fantastic, guys. If you're making cupcake toppers and things like that, I did some cupcake toppers, and they asked me if it was food safe. And I researched it, and I was like, I'm just going to check it, because I know what frosting does to some papers and stuff, and we didn't want that oily, gooey look on them. So I cut a couple of pieces out, little hearts and diamonds, and soaked it overnight in cooking oil. And then I laid it and compared it next to the original page that I cut it out of. Absolutely no difference. It did not soak up one single drop. Durable metallic finishes. This has the 5 colors in it. Has the silver, the pink, the gold, the copper, and the blue, it looks like. It doesn't really say on here. I'm looking and I do not see it. But this is perfect for gift boxes, guys, if you don't have the craft board. I'm still looking to see if the colors... I see the colors up here, 6 different colors. So, it looks like the light silver and dark silver. That's what it is. Pink, copper, gold, and blue. But this stuff is awesome. I am going to tell you guys to go now, get that mystery box, and join me here after. I'm going to show you some projects and some clips after this video. One more thing I forgot to tell you guys. Cricut does reserve the right also to replace a product if they run out. So you may get a different color than what is pictured here. If you do, don't get upset. They do replace with the equal or greater value if they have to do that. And let's go ahead and take a look at the projects that we made using these products. As I promised, here are some of the projects that I did using this month's mystery box. You guys make sure you click that link below and use code AprilCraft and go and get your mystery box. I used the vinyl, that Princess packet, that variety pack, to make this cup here. I used the purple adhesive foil to do a monogram motif on this one. I used the red adhesive foil to do my sparkle and shine cup. Let me see if I can get that red. There we go. There's that red reflecting in there. But I made that, and in the spirit of Valentine's Day, I put a heart on it. And I used the poster board to create this little candy box. And the pen set I used to write on the inside of the little divider boxes that are in there. I put I love you in one. There we go. Now you can see that. And I put Happy Valentine's Day in the other. And then I used some of the lavender iron-on glitter and did a heart on my sleeve of my Valentine shirt. And I used that pink multi-glitter iron-on to do a oops, let me zoom out so you guys can see, a happy Valentine's Day. So you guys, there are tons and tons of things that you can do with this mystery box, and we're going to be using a lot more of the products out of that mystery box in some upcoming lives. So you guys make sure you get your mystery box so that you can put your projects together along with us.